Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Speakology, where learning English becomes fun, easy, and natural. Today's topic is something we all have in common, our daily routine. We'll learn how to talk about your routine in IELTS speaking using real, natural English sentences that sound fluent and confident. And as always, I've got Alex here with me.
Hey guys, I'm super excited. Talking about your daily routine seems simple, but it's a common IELTS topic, so it's important to answer it well.
Exactly. So, let's get started. Let's begin with some IELTS Part 1 questions. Remember, Part 1 is all about you. Speak naturally and keep your answers short, around 2 to 3 sentences. What is your daily routine like?
Well, my daily routine is quite simple. I usually wake up around 7 a.m., get ready, have breakfast, and then start my work or studies. In the evening, I go for a walk and spend time with my family before going to bed.
Perfect start. That's clear and structured. You covered morning, afternoon, and evening. Great organization. What do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I like to start my day with a glass of water and some stretching. Then I take a shower, have breakfast, and plan my tasks for the day.
Good. That's specific and uses present simple tense, exactly what the examiner wants. Do you think you follow your routine strictly?
Not always. I try to, but sometimes I sleep late and wake up tired. Still, I make sure to complete my important tasks for the day.
Nice honesty. You sound natural and not memorized. That's great for fluency. Has your routine changed compared to the past?
Yes, it has changed a lot. When I was a student, I used to have more free time. Now I have more responsibilities and less time for relaxation.
That's a Band 8 structure. You used to and present perfect. Has changed. Excellent grammar range. Okay, Alex. Now let's move on to Part 2, the cue card section. You'll have 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak. Here's your question. Describe your daily routine. You should say what you do every day, what time you start and finish your day, what you like or dislike about your routine, and explain how your routine helps you.
My daily routine is quite organized because I like to plan my day in advance. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. and start my morning with light exercise. After that, I take a shower, have breakfast, and check my emails. Around 9 a.m., I start working on my projects or studying English. I usually work until 1 p.m., then take a lunch break. In the afternoon, I either continue working or spend time reading books. In the evening, I like to go for a walk to refresh my mind. After dinner, I sometimes watch YouTube videos or listen to English podcasts, before going to bed at around 11 p.m. What I like about my routine is that it keeps me productive and motivated. However, sometimes I feel bored doing the same things every day. Still, having a routine helps me stay focused and manage my time effectively.
Wow, that's an excellent response, Alex. Let's analyze it. You use transition words like after that, then, in the afternoon, and however. That makes your speech organized and fluent. Also, you gave personal opinions, I like and I feel, which makes the answer sound natural. When describing your daily routine, follow this structure. Morning, when you wake up and what you do. Afternoon, work, study, or activities. Evening, relaxation or family time. Opinion, what you like or dislike about your routine. That's a perfect flow for a 2-minute answer. All right, now we move to Part 3, where questions are more abstract and require deeper thinking. Let's go. Do you think it's important to have a daily routine?
Yes, absolutely. A routine helps people stay organized and focused. When you follow a routine, you can manage your time better and achieve your goals more efficiently.
That's great, clear and logical. You used formal words like efficiently and manage your time. perfect for part 3. Do you think children should follow a routine?
Yes, I think so. Having a routine teaches children discipline and responsibility. It helps them understand that every activity has its own time, like study, play, and sleep.
Excellent. You supported your opinion with the reason. That's exactly what the examiner expects. How has technology changed people's daily routines?
Technology has completely changed our lives. Nowadays, people use smartphones for almost everything, from setting alarms to shopping online. While it saves time, it also makes people more dependent on gadgets.
Brilliant. That's a balanced answer. You mentioned both advantages and disadvantages. What kind of daily routine do you think is good for a healthy life?
I think a good daily routine should include enough sleep, a balanced diet, and regular exercise. It's also important to take short breaks and spend time with family or friends to reduce stress.
That's perfect. You used health-related vocabulary like balanced diet, regular exercise, and reduce stress. That gives you a lexical resource boost. Do people in your country have similar daily routines?
Well, it depends. In cities, people usually have busy routines. They wake up early, go to work, and come home late. But in villages, life is slower and more peaceful. People spend more time outdoors and with family.
Okay, let's do a short role play for our viewers to practice listening. Hey Alex, what's the first thing you do after you wake up?
Honestly, I check my phone. I know it's not a good habit, but it's automatic. Then I brush my teeth and have some coffee to feel awake.
Yeah, same here. Most people can't start their day without coffee. What about the evening?
In the evening, I usually go for a short walk or watch a show to relax before bed.
That's good. A mix of relaxation and activity. Guys, remember, when you talk about your daily routine, you can use usually, sometimes, often, every day to make your answer sound natural. Repeat after me, slowly. I usually wake up around 7. I have breakfast and start my work. After lunch, I take a short break. I try to go to bed early.
I usually wake up around 7. I have breakfast and start my work. After lunch, I take a short break. I try to go to bed early.
Excellent. Remember to focus on rhythm and intonation. English sounds better when it flows naturally. Here are a few questions you can practice at home. How do you spend your weekends? What part of your day do you enjoy the most? Do you prefer to plan your day or be spontaneous? Has your routine changed recently? What would your ideal daily routine look like?
Nice. These are great for self-practice.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's IELTS speaking practice on the topic daily routine. We covered A. Part 1 sample questions, B. Part 2 cue card, C. Part 3 discussion, D. Vocabulary and grammar, E. Pronunciation and common mistakes.
That was so helpful. I think I can now talk about my routine more confidently in English.
That's the goal. And to everyone watching, don't just listen. Practice speaking out loud. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with English Speakology, where learning English is fun, natural, and effective.
See you in the next IELTS speaking practice video. Bye.
Take care, everyone, and keep speaking English every day.